In this video I will show you how to easily remove background in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Click on Layer Mask. Right-click and choose Select and Mask. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool. We'll keep the view on overlay. Opacity 100%. Click on Object Aware. Radius 0%. Smooth 0%. Feather 0%. Contrast 0%. Shift Edge 0%. Now we will move the brush to the sides of the hair. Click on Decontaminate Color. Output New Layer and Layer Mask. Press OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.